In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Shopify orders to Google Sheets manually and with automation. By the end, you'll know how to quickly export historical orders when you need a snapshot, and how to set up a hands-off workflow so new orders flow into your spreadsheet automatically. Let's start with the manual method, which is great for one-time exports or periodic reporting. In your Shopify admin, open Orders. Choose specific orders if you're narrowing it down, or leave all selected for a full export. Look for the export option and choose CSV format. CSV is ideal because it plays nicely with Google Sheets and keeps your columns structured. After the file downloads, switch to Google Sheets. Open a new or existing spreadsheet, then go to File, Import. Select the CSV from your computer and follow the prompts. If you're adding this to a busy workbook, consider importing to a new sheet within the file to keep things tidy. Once the data loads, scan the headers, make sure columns aligned correctly, and adjust any formatting, like dates or currency, so your formulas and filters work as expected. Now, if you want this to happen automatically as new orders come in, use an integration tool like Zapier or Coupler.io. These platforms connect Shopify to Google Sheets with a simple workflow. Create a new workflow and choose Shopify as the source. Set the trigger to New Paid Order so you only capture completed sales. Next, add the Google Sheets action. Pick Create Spreadsheet Row if you want to append each new order to the bottom, or Update Spreadsheet Row if you maintain a master row for each order and need to refresh fields. When you map fields, align each Shopify data point to the correct column header in your sheet. Include essentials like order ID, date, total, line items, fulfillment status, and any tags you rely on for reporting. Clear, consistent column names make maintenance much easier. Before turning it on, run a test. The test should create or update a row in your sheet so you can verify formatting, check timestamps, and confirm that line items appear as expected. If your sheet already has data, back up or freeze critical columns to avoid accidental overwrites. When everything looks good, activate the workflow. From now on, each new paid order in Shopify will automatically land in your Google Sheet, keeping your dashboard or reports up to date without manual exports. If you later add or rename columns, remember to revisit the mapping so your automation stays reliable.